Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get an ACX address if you don't live in the US, Canada, and the UK. I have a lot of people asking me, how do you sign up for ACX if you don't live within any of these mentioned countries? Because ACX has a policy that if you don't live in any of the following countries, you cannot register with them. So what you're going to do first of all is go to the Reship website. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So it's www.reship.com. Again, I'll leave a link in the description of the video. So after you registered with this website, it's free to register, by the way, for an account, that is. So after you register with Reship, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be brought to the password page first of all to create a password. You create a password, and then you're going to have the address page. Now for the address page, you want to give your actual real address where you live, right? Because how it's going to work is you're going to use the above addresses here, one of the above addresses here for the ACX account address. And then this address, your real address, is where Reship is going to ship you the check, right? So you're just using these addresses to register for ACX purposes. That's all. So your real address goes here. And then after that, you're going to choose a membership package. So you have two membership packages, monthly membership for the Power Shopper. And I would say go with the per package membership because you're only going to be using it for one check per month. So what you can do is select here. So it's a one-time sign-up fee of $5. And then after that, it's handling fee of $5 per package. So it's going to be $5 per check, cost you $5 per check they send out. And after, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your credit card details, pay them, and that's that. And once all that is done, all you need to do is go back onto the ACX website, use one of these addresses, whether it's the UK one, Canadian one, or the American one, and then you just sign up for ACX. So that's all you really need to do. And also, I should also mention actually, so that's if you're outside of one of these three countries. But let's say you're in a situation where you may be outside of one of these countries, but you have an actual bank account. You can use a bank account as long as it's Canadian, British, or American. But you would still have to use an American or Canadian or UK address, right? So the check is for ACX will send you a check if you don't have a bank account that's associated to any one of these three countries. So I hope that clears out any misconceptions and helps clarify what you need to do in order to sign up for ACX. That's going to be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.